Oh, all of you are from Kerala only. Kerala only, lot of success, especially Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, and all that. Lot of people come out successful from Kerala.
Hmm.
Kerala boys are intelligent, correct?
It's maybe of the high literacy rates of Kerala, sir, because of that.
Just for fun, I was telling you. No, don't worry. Mr. Vinayan, please
Yes.
introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, good evening, sir. I am Vinay NV. I am 25 years old. I was born and brought up in Palakkad, which is a very natural, beautiful place in Kerala. I have completed my schooling in Palakkad itself. My family consists of my father, mother, and a brother. I am a BTech Mechanical Engineering graduate from Government Engineering College, Palakkad, and I graduated in the year 2021. Later, I pursued my post-graduation in manufacturing and automation from College of Engineering in Trivandrum. It is the most prestigious college in Kerala. During these periods, I was part of various academic and non-academic activities. I have chaired and coordinated various collegiate programs, including national level tech fest in my college. These are the qualities which I had gained from my college life. Later, I started my public examination preparations. Along with that, I worked as an assistant professor for an year, the previous year. And now I quit my job and I am completely focusing on my exam preparations right now. Yeah, that's about me. And thank you for giving an opportunity for introducing myself, sir.
So that means you have applied for industry officer mechanical engineering, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Oh, I thought civil engineering. You have applied for mechanical engineering. No problem.
Mechanical engineering, sir.
Very fine. Now, Mr. Vinayan,
Yes, sir.
you studied mechanical engineering.
Uh,
You were working as a lecturer for some time also.
yes.
Why could you not get one core company job for you?
So I already got one core company job during my placement, sir. But I needed to focus on public sector examinations uh, for my future. I prefer for public sector examination. I already got in L&T Technology Services during my MTech period, and I got in Vakkaro company, Vakkaro, which is a Chappal brand. Manufacturing in the manufacturing unit in my BTech period, I both rejected that and I want to pursue my career in a public sector industry, sir.
See, if all the mechanical engineers come out like this to government office or banks and insurance, then how will industrial production improve in our country? Tell me.
So mechanical PNB industry officer is also a job for mechanical. It can be also benefited for mechanical engineers, sir. So I can apply my academic backgrounds here for the and I can understand the industrial processes, technical feasibilities, machineries, etc., which is valuable
Did
for
you,
assessing government proposals.
did you have an opportunity to meet any of the officers of Punjab National Bank working
Uh,
as an industry officer?
PN Punjab National Bank Palakkad main branch, and I met a industry officer there.
Acha?
But I didn't get much valuable points from him. Later, I contacted many persons through LinkedIn. I have applied. I have sent connections to them, but only two persons replied me and got a connection. And I asked them, "Sir, what will be the questions I am going to face, and what will be the kind of questions they are going to ask me? So can you guide me through this?" They provided me some valuable points. They tell me, since you are from a mechanical engineering background, they mostly ask general questions, but applied mechanical questions to it. Directly going to ask something from the mechanical engineering background, it's only purely depends on the board you are sitting.
Yeah, yeah. It depends on the board. If the board is, Acha, what do you know about banks?
The bank is a financial institution which helps us to which help us to take care of the money and money related services to all the common and to peoples, including from common and to the industrialists. They provide money and money related services.
No, no, please tell me what is your father?
So my father, his name is Vishnu Das. He's a construction worker for the past 35 years.
Mhm.
He's residing in Palakkad itself, sir.
Construction worker means is he a laborer
So,
or
yes, laborer, sir.
oh, very good. How much trouble they would have faced in bringing you up to this
Yes,
level?
my
Great.
father and mother faced a lots of trouble throughout these years to bring me up, and I want to feel them successful in their life. I want to achieve something in a public sector, and I want to bring myself up towards in this societies.
Can you talk about mechanics of materials? A few points relating to mechanics of materials. Explain Young's modulus and its significance.
Young's modulus is normal stress by normal strain. It's a more indicator that used to uh, uh, measure the ability of a material to withstand itself. Uh, I
What
am
are
not.
what are stress and strain? How do they relate to each other?
Uh, so stress is the force applied per unit area, and strain is the change in dimension by original dimensions.
Explain the laws of thermodynamics.
There is zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, and second law of thermodynamics, sir.
What is
Uh,
Carnot cycle? What is Carnot cycle?
Carnot cycle is an ideal cycle, sir. Uh, Ideal cycle which includes two adiabatic process and two isothermal process, sir. It's
Describe
ideal.
the different modes of heat transfer.
It's
Explain the concept of thermal expansion.
so different modes of heat transfer, sir: conduction, convection, and radiation, sir.
Hmm.
In conduction, it's directly contact heat transfer, which occurs by direct contact, and in convection, it's from one mode to another, and in radiation, it's purely from through vacuum, sir.
What about the concept of thermal expansion?
So thermal expansion, when we apply a temperature, when we apply a temperature to a material above its limit, it's going to expand. The molecules are going to expand, and the material experiences a thermal expansion, sir. And its expansion coefficient is called alpha.
Explain the concept of pressure drop in pipes. How does a pump work?
Pressure drop in a pressure drop in pipe means during it can be explained with Bernoulli's principles of when we consider two different points in a pipe through the flow, when we check the flow of the motion, and when we take 2 points, we can experience a pressure drop in the pipe from one on these two different points. That's why Bernoulli's principle can be applied.
In terms of banking, making
Yes.
advances, there is an abbreviation known as TEV study.
Yes, sir. It's techno-economical viability report, sir. It's TV.
Very good. Can you explain what is techno-economic viability report or study?
Is
And you know, wait, you can also go through search like this in Google. You are
yeah.
getting so many new questions like this also. Please prepare for them. Be ready.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So many questions are coming. So be
Okay, sir.
ready for those questions and prepare. Now I was asking about what is TEV study.
So, TE studies are the uh, reports created by the officials for providing a loan to a loan to an industry through the various bank loan lending sections of bank. Here,
Yeah.
physically here, for a TV study, the industry
No,
officer
sorry,
physically.
sorry, you are struggling. You are struggling so much. For TEV
Uh,
study means techno-economic viability.
uh,
A project report is prepared when a company approaches us for term loan. And
yes, sir.
at that stage, we have to go through the project from the analysis of technical viability, whether A, when it is put in, will come out as B or it will come out as C. You should study the process and how
Uh,
long it will take, whether it is allowed in our place, whether we have raw materials required for that, whether we have labor suitable for that, whether we have water, then electricity required for that. ये सब देखना पड़ेगा. ये सब
uh,
देखना पड़ेगा. Then
uh,
economic, whether it is economically feasible, that also you must study. For example, in a place like Canada, say a toothbrush is being imported from China and is sold here for about $5 or $10, whatever it is. But here they are not manufacturing toothbrushes because if they want to have toothbrush industry manufacture it and then sell it, the cost of manufacturing will come out to be 20 dollars.
okay.
So instead of manufacturing, it is good to take it from another country which is selling. Same thing with our shirts, pants, and other things which they are getting from Bangladesh, China, India, then Taiwan, and all these places. Not only
So,
Canada,
so
almost all the
analyzing,
other.
so
Yeah,
so we are analyzing the economic viability of that industry business.
yeah. That is known as TEV study. Next
Uh,
question. Next question. When you go for an industry inspection, what are the things you will look into to satisfy that the unit is functioning well?
uh,
This is a technical question. I don't know. Please talk to some engineers and find out. For example, you may have to find out the ledgers, registers, the data they have produced, how many hours they have worked, how many people they have worked, how many finished goods came. I don't know. You must be able to tell like that.
So
Could you?
I earlier downloaded a technical TEV report of a wire manufacturing company, but it's not created by banking officials. It's created by a consulting company. But they have included its profit rate for previous 2 or 3 years, the number of manufacture, the
No, no.
cost
My
per
my my
customer.
question my question is different. I was asking you about when you go for inspection, what you will see.
Okay, sir. I will go through it, sir.
You have to prepare on that line. And
Okay, sir.
next question, you please remember, which is the biggest industry in our country? I don't know the answer. You prepare. Which is the biggest mechanical industrial company in our country, in the world? Then
Mm,
who is the famous person in this mechanical engineering line in our country? What is the name of the Association of Manufacturers of Indian Industries? What is the industrial production in our country during the last year or the year before last? Has it been increasing or decreasing? What is the reason for that? Okay.
okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
like these questions, and you do a brainstorming to get similar questions like this and prepare yourself so that you can meet your next interview. What is required is only confidence, clarity in expression. You must talk appropriate level of language, appropriate length, with clarity.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you do that, you will be selected.
Thank you, sir. I will
Beyond
go through
be,
my language.
beyond that, what is needed is only what is bank. Have I given you some material? What is bank? Did I give you or not?
The I have only the materials you had provided through a WhatsApp message, sir. A OneDrive links. Nothing much.
No. What is your cell phone number? First five
Zero.
number.
I have lots of
Acha,
one.
1 minute. Let me check up whether I've given. Otherwise, I will ask you to write so that I can give you that. Let me check up whether because I am giving a different time for different people. For some people I send, for some I acha, acha. This is a very good one I have given you. Chat GPT with list of topics covered.
Okay.
Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
That is a very useful one. You go through that. Then you
Okay, sir.
please message me for one thing, that is a WhatsApp. Hmm. What is bank material? You ask for what is bank material, I will send it to you. It contains 100 questions and answers regarding basic banking, which you can know.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you. You did
Thank
well. I wish
sir.
you the
Can you give
best
me
of luck.
can you give me some tips to increase my uh, talking, sir? I am
That too,
stammering sometimes.
I know, not stammering. See, we are not having practice in talking in English, including
Yes,
myself, including
continue.
myself,
Yes.
including myself, though I have been talking for 60 years, not 60, 50 years in English classes. But even then, I struggle sometimes. That is because our vocabulary is very less. What you should do is you should start reading some English magazine. You must watch English serials or English cinema with subtitle. You must think in English, communicate in English to others. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. You are doing
Thank.
very well. You will succeed provided you practice.
Okay, sir. I will practice my level best, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next candidate 93818. Anybody has come? Then 637094972. Are you here? 63. It's already
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
7:45 now. Venki, you are that one, na?
Yes, sir.
6370.
No, sir.
Okay.
938182, sir.
Acha, acha, ठीक है.
740.
Good. I want both the people. Yeah. You are appearing for which interview, Mr. Venki?
PNB Credit Officer, sir.
Acha. Because long, Ramana Minnadi பார்த்தது மறந்து போச்சு. Mr. Venki, your interview with PNB is on which date?
17, sir.
Good. Mr. Venki, can you please tell us about yourself?
Good evening, sir.
Hmm.
My name is Venkateswarlu Tupuli. I am from Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh. And I completed my graduation in Bachelor of Commerce from Vikram Simhar University in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. And I have completed my post-graduate degree in MBA Finance from JNTU Anantapur. And I participated different management events during my MBA, and I won first prize in PPT presentation. The topic is financial markets in digital era, and also I did my project in cash flow analysis, sir. Coming to my family, my father is an auto driver and my mother is a homemaker, and I have two younger sisters. They both are studying post graduation first year, sir. That's it.
Good. Which college did you study MBA?
JNTU is Anantapur.
Mhm. Good. Now, in the matter of credit management in banks,
Yes, sir.
how will you process a proposal? how will you decide that this party is worth giving our this loan?
First of all, identify the application, sir. First step, identify and analyze the application. From that, we need to analyze the financial statements and also we uh, financial statements and income proofs, and after that recommend the loans to that particular borrower or particular customer, loan policies, loan interest rates, and after that approve a loan, sir. That's
Mhm. Mm, I am a layman. I do not know anything about accountancy.
sir.
I want you to talk for 5 full minutes telling me what is
Sir.
double entry bookkeeping, what is journal entry, what is trading account, what is a profit and loss account, what is gross profit, what is net profit, what is balance sheet, what we can see from the balance sheet, how
Sir.
we can make use of the balance sheet of the customer to decide whether we are giving loan or not. 5 minutes discussion. So think for 1 minute if you want, and then start telling the answer.
Okay, sir.
If you want, you can use some text before you. You can look into that and speak. I want you to develop your confidence to speak.
No, sir, I can tell.
Please speak.
Sir, firstly, the accounting process starts with journal entries, sir. The there is an a journal means the first step of an accounting process, sir. Here we enter whatever the entries has to be happened. For example, if you want to purchase something, we directly enter it into the journal, sir. After that journals, we record into the ledgers, sir. Ledgers is nothing but separate book of accounts has to be maintained for that. And the we are you also know that single entry, double entry, triple entry cash books are single entry cash book.
What triple entry? I have not heard about it. What is the
Single
triple
entry,
entry? No.
we
Single
record
entry,
we,
I know. Double entry, I know. What is triple entry?
so here we enter the discount, sir. If you want to purchase discount, also we entered, sir.
Achha, now tell me about single entry, double entry, and all that. Speak.
Single entry we entered only cash transactions, sir.
Mm.
Then double entry cash and bank transactions also entered, sir.
Triple entry?
Triple entry cash and bank as well as discounts, sir. When you are purchasing or selling, discounted transactions are to be entered in triple entry. And petty cash book. Petty cash book is nothing but small transactions, sir. Small expenses.
Oh.
Uh,
And first time I'm hearing this. Now explain about double entry.
Double entry is the entry which is the cash as well as a bank transaction has to be recorded in double entry system.
Tell me.
Is that
Hello?
you know the things, sir.
Pardon?
So, a little bit I know, sir. And
That is because what is your basic degree? Engineering?
BCom, sir. BCom, Bachelor of
B-
Commerce.
After studying BCom, if you tell like this, how can we allow you? You must be able to tell about the very routine questions I have been asking. 3 golden rules of bookkeeping. Then explain about journal entry. Then trading account. Then profit and loss account. You must be able to talk about it nicely because
I know, sir, but I have some.
they do ask such simple questions in the bank interviews. Okay, doesn't matter. Now, which
I
bank
have
are
paid
you having account?
Indian Bank, sir.
Who is the MD and CEO of Indian Bank now? I don't remember.
Shashidhar Jagadishan, sir.
Acha, very good.
Sir, Shantilal Jain, sir. Sorry, sir.
No. He has changed a lot. He has changed long back. Hello.
Sir,
December 2024, he changed.
I don't know, sir. Updated name.
Indian Bank appoints Binod Kumar as new
Vinod.
MD. Binod Kumar as
Okay.
new MD and CEO. Binod Kumar is the new MD and CEO. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Doesn't matter. Now, can you tell me the name of one more public sector bank having headquarters in Chennai?
Tamil Nadu, sir.
Yeah, one more bank having headquarters in
Yes, sir.
Chennai. Indian Overseas Bank.
Indian Overseas Bank, sir.
Yeah. Do you know the name of private sector banks having headquarters in Tamil Nadu?
Sir, I don't know, sir. ICICI Bank is Mumbai.
Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, Tuticorin.
Yes,
Then
sir.
City Union Bank, I think it is Kumbakonam. Then Karur Vaishya Bank in Karur.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Now, did you go through the website of our Punjab National Bank?
Yes,
I
sir.
want
But
you,
I
I
know
want, I want you to introduce Punjab National Bank to me. I do not know about Punjab National Bank. Introduce
yes, sir.
Punjab National Bank to me.
Sir, yes, sir. PNB is the oldest and second largest bank in India, sir. Now it has over spanning of 125 years of history, sir. And MD and CEO is Ashok Chandra, sir. The tagline of Punjab National Bank is the name you can bank upon, sir. And the banks were merged with Punjab National Bank, India, the New Bank of India, and Oriental Bank of Commerce. They both banks are merged with Punjab National Bank, sir. And
Mm.
it has recently it has awarded as digital payment award, sir. And also the uh, that thing I know, sir. And it has a global connectivity of 10,159 domestic branches and two international branches, sir. And it has a 1240 ATM services, sir. That thing I know, sir. That's I know, sir.
About Punjab National Bank in this way. That's right. Tell me about the financial figures of Punjab National Bank.
Sir, I forget, sir.
Okay. Please tell me, what do you know by the word goodwill?
Goodwill, the reputation of a company, sir.
Where it will appear in trading account or profit and loss account? Where it will appear?
Good trading and profit and the trading and profit. No, sir. Goodwill not entered into the trading and profit and loss account, sir.
Where it will appear?
Balance sheet, sir. It is an intangible asset, sir.
Very good. You should correct me. If I tell you wrong things, you should correct me. Good. Then goodwill, trademarks, patents, and rights. Okay. What do you
Yes, sir.
understand by trademarks?
Trademarks is given to a particular product, sir.
Hmm. For
No
whom
one,
trademark will be given?
sir, I don't know, sir.
See, whenever a person invents some new concept or machinery or device or methodology, he can
Yes, sir.
get it his rights registered with the authority, and that other people cannot use the same for a few number of years. I don't know how many years, maybe 12 years or 13 years. They cannot, nobody else can use it. After that, everybody can use the same thing. For example, you decide about making jam,
Yes, sir.
Kisan mixed fruit jam. That is a
Yes, sir.
trademark right. Nobody can copy it from them.
Yes, sir.
That is what is known as trademark. Please tell me what is a depreciation.
Depreciation is nothing but a decrease the value of fixed assets, sir, over a
Hmm.
period of time, sir. The value depreciation can be calculated based on the three methods, sir: diminishing balance method, written down balance method, annuity method, sir.
Why did you tell nothing but? What is the reason for putting nothing but?
Okay, sir.
It comes as a practice.
Okay,
Hello.
okay. Sorry, sir.
Why
Sorry,
did you
sir.
say nothing but? Nothing but means you are not giving it important.
Okay,
Nothing
sir.
but can be used only in occasions where it is considered silly thing you are asking me
No,
like
sir. No,
that.
sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So that's okay.
Okay.
Now tell me, what do you understand by sundry creditors?
Sundry creditors is a liability, sir. Liability of a company where it is arised where, when we purchase based on credit, the sundry creditors was arrived. That is sundry creditors.
Yeah.
It is a
A, com-
short term
a,
liability
a company when it purchases raw materials
with a credit base.
from the suppliers on
Yes.
credit terms, it is known as sundry creditors. What is sundry debtors?
When we sell something, whenever a, a company sales to the customer by the base of credit sales, sir.
Hmm. It's known as sundry debtors.
Debtors.
Very good. Then what do you know by current ratio?
Current ratio, it is a liquidity ratio. By this ratio, we know the how a company, the ability of a company to meet its short-term liabilities and obligations, sir. The
Don't
current
say short
ratio,
term, say current liabilities.
okay, sir.
Current liability means liability to be met within 12
Easily
months.
converted within 1 year, sir.
Hmm. Good. Very good.
Current ratio,
You told this correctly. Can you tell me
sir.
what is deferred asset?
Deferred asset is a prepaid asset, sir. It is a
Def, deferred asset.
deferred asset.
It is same as prepaid
Prepaid.
expenses.
Okay, deferred asset.
We have paid the amount, we have not consumed it.
Used.
Okay.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Can you tell me about interest coverage ratio?
Interest coverage ratio. Operating profit divided by interest payments, sir.
Hmm? Operating profit should come on top or at the bottom? Uh,
Operating profit, also known as earning before interest and tax, sir.
hmm. Interest coverage ratio formula. Interest coverage ratio formula. Interest coverage ratio may be called the times interest earned ratio. It helps lenders, investors, and creditors determine riskiness for future borrowing. Like key takeaways, I'm showing you.
Sir.
I'm showing you. Are you seeing it on the screen?
Yes, sir.
The interest coverage ratio measures how well a company can pay the interest due on an outstanding debt. The ratio is found by dividing the company's earnings before interest and taxes by its interest expense during a super. I think you told correctly.
Yes, sir.
Good. I appreciate you. You told this correctly. Very happy. Now, do you have any questions to ask?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have doubt, sir. I prepared well, everything, sir, but I am not able to speak, sir. That is a problem, sir.
It is only out of practice you will get over this. First, leave this belief in your mind that you cannot talk. உங்களுக்குள்ளேயே நீங்க சொல்லிக்கணும் என்னால நல்லா பேச முடியும். I can talk very well. I will communicate well. I enjoy talking in English. Practice that wherever possible, whenever possible.
When I'm practicing, I know everything about the basics of accounts, whereas the syllabus of credit officer, everything, sir. But when it comes to speak something before the interview panel, I'm not able to speak, sir. Like
That
you, sir.
that is the problem. You see, if you are having the fear with me, you are not
Yes, sir.
seeing me on screen. Even now,
Yes, sir.
if you have doubt, if a fear, then how are you going to face those people who will come in person or on the screen? Could you follow? I think in
Yes, sir.
your case, they will come in person.
Yes, sir.
They will come in person only. Best wishes. You are doing
Thank,
very well. Only
thank you,
thing
sir.
is, you must repeatedly tell yourself, I am preparing well. I will do well. God will help me succeed.
Thank you.
Repeatedly, you should tell within yourself and
Okay,
read
sir.
till the last day before going for the. What is the share price of Punjab National Bank?
Sir.
The படிக்காம ஏன் வரீங்க கிளாஸுக்கு? Without studying this, why are you coming to class? Every day till you go for the interview, you should be
Right.
seeing what is the share market price, what is the Bombay Stock Exchange, what is the National Stock Exchange, what is the market capitalization of PNB. Pakka.
Okay, sir.
Every day, once in the
Okay, sir.
morning, once in the night.
Okay, sir.
Because even if you are not seen that day, you can say yesterday.
Sure, sir.
Best wishes. I will give you 80 marks
Sir.
out of 100, but look
Sir.
forward to you are doing still better.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you.